Are you looking for the ultimate grooming tool that caters to all your needs? Look no further. Introducing the Remington Head-to-Toe Advanced Rechargeable Powered Body Groomer Kit. The perfect solution for men who demand precision and versatility in their grooming routine. Hi everyone. I'm Ruhul Amin, a digital marketer and founder of Raminhub and Raminmark. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my honest review of this incredible grooming kit that has been making waves among men's grooming products. Let's dive into the key features of the Remington PG525D. This 10-piece kit includes a full-size trimmer for precise beard shaping, a foil shaver for a clean finish, a nose, ear, and detail trimmer for those hard-to-reach areas, a vertical body hair trimmer for effortless grooming, a hair clipper comb with 8 length settings, 3 beard and stubble combs for tailored looks. What I absolutely love about this groomer is its self-sharpening, surgical steel blades. They ensure a consistent, smooth performance every time. And guess what? It's washable. Just rinse the attachments under the faucet, and you're good to go. With up to 70 minutes of runtime and advanced rechargeable power, you'll never have to worry about your grooming sessions being interrupted. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for home use or travel. This isn't just a product, it's an investment in your grooming routine. Whether you're styling your beard, trimming body hair, or maintaining a polished look, the Remington PG525D delivers exceptional results. Plus, with a 2-year limited warranty, you can purchase with confidence. The surgical steel blades are designed for long-lasting performance, making this kit a durable companion for years to come. Why do I recommend Remington? It's simple. Quality, affordability, and versatility. This grooming kit is a game-changer for men's grooming, offering professional-grade tools at a fraction of the cost. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in leveling up your grooming game, check out the Remington Head-to-Toe Advanced Rechargeable Powered Body Groomer Kit. You can find the link to purchase it in the description or comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay sharp and confident.